This is Arizona Legal Headline News. I'm Danny Davis. Maricopa County Sheriff's deputies have arrested 13 suspected illegal immigrants during a standoff with suspected human smugglers in a Phoenix suburb. Sheriff officials say they were led to the home in Avondale on Tuesday based on information from a previous investigation about a vehicle being used to transport illegal immigrants out of Maricopa County. They say people barricaded themselves inside the home and the SWAT team threw tear gas to force them to evacuate. Officials say they quickly apprehended the head suspected smuggler who attempted to flee the scene. Police say a man who was stabbed and beheaded in a suburban Phoenix apartment was killed for stealing drugs from a Mexican cartel. A police report released Wednesday says Martin Alejandro Cota Monroy stole 400 pounds of marijuana from the cartel. The report says Cota Monroy then fled and the cartel hired assassins to befriend and kill him. One man's been charged in his killing and 3 others believed to have fled to Mexico. The Arizona Senate has given initial approval to a bill that would prevent most government agencies from banning guns in their buildings and events unless they install airport-style security screening. The proposed law also addresses several other provisions favored by gun rights advocates. They include a prohibition on lawsuits against gun dealers or manufacturers stemming from shootings and requirement that guns seized by law enforcement be sold and not destroyed. The bill exempts schools, university, and police stations from the public buildings where gun owners would be allowed to carry their weapons. Public buildings and events could only ban firearms if metal detectors were installed, armed security guards or police present, and lock boxes available for gun owners to secure their weapons. A bill to bar red light and speed cameras by Arizona local governments has narrowly failed in the state Senate. The bill failed on a 15-15 vote Wednesday despite a plea from Senate President Russell Pierce for passage. The bill is among several pending pieces of legislation on photo radar. One is a resolution to put a photo radar ban to a public vote. There's also a bill to say that a person receiving a photo enforcement ticket doesn't have to identify another person who is the photographed driver. For more, visit ArizonaLawChannel.com. I'm Danny Davis.